Hello viewers, welcome to Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the background of any picture however you want. For background remover, here we go, and the result has appeared. I'm gonna click on the remove background from image. For here we go. The remove BG has appeared and it is saying to remove background, and how we can use its different tools and their functionalities are different. Of course, the magic brush for individuals, for photographers, for marketing, developers, e-commerce, media, car dealership, for enterprise. These are for different businesses and for individuals and for professionals. However, tools and API, what we have here, we have different plugins and their functionalities. We can install them and use them to remove our background, and for the other different functionalities we can use free remove BG to remove the background from the pictures, and we also have the pro version, and for that we have pricing plans here. As you can see, if someone has already existing account, they can log in, and if they don't have an account, they can sign up and make one. And here we go to back to the home. Here we can upload any image and then we can remove the background from it. I'm gonna upload image. Here we go to, first we have to download the image, then we can remove its background. I'm gonna search here the Catherine Langford, for example. Go to images and then here we go. I'm gonna save image, yes, and then here I can upload the image. I have just downloaded this picture. I'm gonna choose this and open it here. Now the picture has downloaded and the background from the picture has removed. It right now has no background. I can download it. It has been downloaded. Now go to the show in folder and here we go. Here we have no background in this picture. However, in the downloaded one we have this background, but we have removed background in this one. So it was the one way, and we also can just save any picture and then we can remove, copy, and then I'm gonna paste it here. Have to copy another picture. This one, I'm gonna take this one. Here we go. The picture I have choose recently, the size of that picture was too big for this, and now I have just copied this picture and pasted it here. The background from this picture has been removed and it has no background right now. I'm gonna download it as well, and it also has been downloaded. I'm gonna show in a folder. Here we go. And now the picture don't have any background. This one I have copied. This one I had been downloaded this picture for removing the background, and when I had downloaded it, it has this kind of background, and when I have removed the background, it looks like this. If you have any picture of yours in your PC, you can locate that and can remove your background as well. So here we go again. Here we have sign up option. we can click on it and we can continue with Google and dashboard, and I already have signed in successfully with my Gmail account. And now it is asking if I want to pay for Pro. Right now my work has been done. I don't want it to pay for the Pro because I don't needed it yet. But if anybody wanna pay for the Pro, they can subscribe it and then they can pay the pricing we have seen here. Here are the plans, they can choose them. That was for today. I will be back soon with another amazing video in which I will be telling you another amazing things. Please like and share our videos and subscribe our channel.